Here's John John. Thought I would share the canals with you. Last time I just showed you them momentarily. But now, let's look at them and see what they really like cruising through here, okay? Stay with me. Now, there's a boat up here that got tagged. I thought that was kind of apropos, right? I mean, for Venice, if you're gonna have a little boat in the canal, you gotta graffiti it, right? There you go. Isn't that lovely? Makes it look better, right? It's art, sure. Okay, stay with me. So we got a couple houses back to back for sale. I wonder why. So here's one, and then the next one. So there's two side by side for sale. And, gee, I wonder why. Isn't it beautiful in here, folks? Magnificent. And then as soon as you leave out, you're basically in a semi-ghetto. A bunch of homeless people surrounding you. So look at that. There's a better view of the graffiti. But this is it. These are the canals. They've been around for a long, long time. And you can walk them. There's ducks in here. It's just really cool. I used to cruise down here in the early 80s and have some fun, so to speak. Or what I thought was fun. And here's what the places look like. They're older. A lot of them are still in their original architectural design. Okay. But isn't it an irony that this is what it looks like, and then you just walk outside your house and it's a ghetto. It's so sad. This is it, folks. Take a peek and have fun. Maybe I'll go over the bridge and get to where I need to go. Cool pads. Obviously some newer architecture there, but ironically not a lot of money has come into here, unlike, let's say, the boardwalk, of course, and even on the outskirts. Maybe it's hard to build in here, I don't know, but it's stunning, that's for sure. I think it's really neat. Definitely unique. It's the only place I know that has canals. I mean, they don't have houses with boats in the backyard, but they have the canals. Can't say that about Malibu or Santa Monica or Ventura or Santa Barbara or Malibu. Definitely unique. So stay with me. I'll come up over this little bump here, this bridge, and then maybe I could end up on the other side and round the corner. This is what it looks like, folks. Let me see if I can do this for you. Give you a better perspective here. Stay with me. This is what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? It's very quiet in here too. Always has been very quiet in here. Huh? Isn't that neat? See the fish in there. There are fish in there. Swimming around. There you have it. It goes down a couple of blocks, like I said before. And here we go. Stay with me. Thank you, by the way, subscribers, followers. Excuse me. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and foes, thank you very much. So, come down this little bridge. All right, here we go. So did they graffiti this boat or not? Let's see here. It looks like they did. Sheesh. Not even safe in the canals. They got to ghetto that out. Oh well. At least they're not painting the bushes yet. They've done that in Ventura. So stay with me. Thank you. Thank you, YouTubers. Alright, so this is what it looks like. There's a bunch of little places in here. And I'm going to probably end this video right here because this is a Grand Canal and it's pretty close to where I parked at. These people are enjoying themselves. And I don't really need to take this too much further, but you can see that it goes out and they do have people kind of touring and checking it out. Maybe I'll sneak by them real quick while they have fun in this little canal here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Shooting out a wave from the ocean. So this is going inland. And it only goes up maybe another block. So, all right, we'll take this up a little bit. Take it up to that bridge. It's pretty neat, isn't it, folks? Look at this place. It's awesome, huh? Look at that. Great. Pardon me. This one. Okay. All right. Take it up to this bridge, okay? And then we'll end it here. It's busy. There's people that are actually touring the Venice canals, which I think is a good thing. People will check it out. They don't like me doing this, but I'll be back anytime soon. So. Isn't it nice? Alright. Apropos. Thank you, YouTube subscribers. So this is what it looks like when they cover it up. And then remember, because if you don't stop it, you know what'll happen. So stay with me. Run this a little bit more. So now you're on the outside of the canals, okay? Nice G-Wagon. Alright, now this is what you're going to see. Okay, stay with me. So a lot of people starting to rise, open houses. So, see, the market's starting to crash now because you used to didn't have to have open houses. So here's an open house here. Okay, and then there's one right here. There's people flock and flee. So remember, now that was the canals. Okay, so if you don't stop it will come. Right on the guy's gate, fence. Come down here. And all the trash cans down. Okay, look at this alley, huh? Okay, check it out. Alright. Look at this. Okay. These are the canals, man. Venice Beach. Alright. When was the last time you think this thing was paved, folks? Yes, sir. Alright. Smells nice in here too, by the way. Do a studio shoot, huh? I think you're in Compton. Alright. Okay, stay with me. This is where you see Dr. Shivago, right? Instead of the couch, it's the chair. Sit in the chair and put some shit. Alright, here you go, folks. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Probably an alley for horse and buggy back in the day.